October is National Chiropractic Health Month. It's a nationwide observance to raise public awareness about the benefits of chiropractic care and its natural, drug-free approach to health and wellness. Joining us now is Dr. David Knott, who is the owner and operator of Voyage Chiropractic. Good morning, David. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. It's an honor.
Can you just explain to us what exactly does a chiropractor do?
So what we specialize in as chiropractors is analyzing the spine and nervous system. And what we're looking for is areas of dysfunction. So what that manifests as is a lot of times people come into our office complaining of neck pain, back pain, headaches, sciatica. And so what we do is take a holistic approach, looking at how the spine's functioning and just really trying to understand why it's there so we can correct it.
Can you explain how your spinal health can relate to your overall health?
Yeah, if we look back at it, so we know through basic science, your nervous system controls and coordinates everything in your body, every organ, every tissue, every cell, every gland. And the way that the nervous system does that is your brain sends messages down through the spinal cord and then out through these nerves at every single level right here. And these are the nerves that your brain is going to control and communicate with. So what happens is when these bones start to shift out of proper alignment and put pressure on these nerves, it causes dysfunction in the body.
And what can people expect during a consultation or visit?
So we are very thorough when it comes to your health. The first thing we do is take a deeper dive, looking at your past history, past medical history, look at traumas, falls, what may be causing these issues you are coming in with. Then we use two different forms of technology using some of the technology that NASA uses on its astronauts. So we look at muscle tone and symmetry, as well as inflammation along nerve roots. And so we can just get a better idea of how your spine's actually functioning. Then we also just see how the spine's moving from the bottom all the way up, tailbone to the base of the skull, and then take any x-rays that are needed to see just structurally exactly what's going on and what needs to be corrected in your spine.
And when is a good time to decide, okay, I need to go see a chiropractor? I always hear that if you get in a car wreck, it's always a good idea to go to the chiropractor right away.
Yeah, absolutely. Any big traumas would be a great time to go see a chiropractor, but also it's the little things. I mean, probably 90% of our patients that come in to see us is not from one big traumatic accident. It's the people that are sitting at desk 9 to 5 every day, slouched over on a keyboard it's leading to a lot of neck and shoulder issues. But just anytime you want to improve your overall wellness, just look at correcting any issues that are giving you some problems. It's a whole lot easier to be preventative than to wait till you're having a health crisis and trying to recover your health.
And what can we do day to day to improve our spinal health?
Just an easy, quick tip to think about is you want your ears right over your shoulders and then your shoulders over your hips. Good bit of people that are coming in, Jacksonville has a big corporate industry in our city. So, it's a lot of sitting all day. And so just the big thing is keeping your head over your shoulders and your shoulders over your hips. So you're not getting what they term now tech neck, which is leaning forward all day on devices or computers or screen time.
All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Knott, for joining